Reeves.
They bring them from the station every morning.
The empty coffin, golden possible.
It doesn't scare anyone.
The town's on my side.
On the chest of drawers behind the wedding flowers.
Morning.
Cigarettes.
Same as usual?
Not those, the only green ones.
They're more expensive.
On account.
Well, since it's you, so we've got to stick together, haven't we?
That's a guitar playing.
It's the butler.
Lovely morning, Alfred.
Go to bed.
We are going fishing. Gone to good pot.
With the second husband's fishing tackle.
They say he's lost his tobacco plantations.
Yes, the millionaires. She owns them now.
The 8th wedding will be gigantic. She announced their engagement yesterday. It was a remarkable marriage. A great teacher and a great dancer. A real devil. I copied him completely.
Look, Mr. McAllister.
Very good morning to you. Watermelon for ladies.
Jersey, Mr. 2 parts of Jersey, Mr.
Jersey it is. Okay.
And butter, half pound. And super bread, 4 large loaves.
I see you had legs, ladies. Shag smooth and shag well.
And bar chocolate, 2 bars.
On account.
On account. Sleep is here, Mr. It's so much nicer here, Mr.
You must be so sad sitting in the Portugal Express. Look, sitting on the balcony, coffee and her cigar.
Always some wickedly expensive brand.
Sheer extravagance. She ought to be ashamed in front of the pool. Interesting, quite smokable.
Her plans misfired. I know old Sybil well. Who is it? And yes, it was a wicked thing that I did back then as a young man. But the way they all rejected the offer, all of them, every single good, unanimously agreed, that was the most proud moment of my life.
Morning! Very hot day.
Very fine and warm for now of the year.
Extraordinary custom this morning. Not a soul was not like, and they all come from flame.
We'll stick by you. We'll stick by our Camber way.
Come what may, Mr. Come what may.
Remember, you're the town's most popular personality.
Our most important personality.
You'll be there in nature spring.
Dead sir.
Dead sir, Mr. Dead sir.
Brandy, give me brandy.
5 and 3.
Not bad. Give me cognac.
Cognac.
And tobacco for my pipe, please.
Tobacco.
Sit down, Nicole. You stop all. I can see the landscape. And thoughts are your strong point.
Look at her. She's sitting with her husband there now.
The 8th. Handsome gent. Acting notes. My daughter saw him as a poacher in the country. Really? I saw him. He was a priest in the Grand Green. Meow.
You can get anything with money you want.
Not from us.
I'd like £1, 3 shillings and 2 pence.
On account.